Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin and this is my final week review video, and I'm going to once again try to make this quickly, go through this quickly, and we'll just go ahead and start right in. Actually, I already have an item in here just to show that we have two, and we'll start with putting a new item, and this one's just going to be a bunch of random stuff. Just for time's sake. And what we'll do is we'll edit the other one, since it actually has, stuff that you can read and see that it's changed, because you probably can't really differentiate these because it's just a bunch of random letters. So and I actually edited all the picture stuff so that it works a lot better, because before the picture would always be the same, and I put timestamps in it so that it updated it because if you took another picture, like if I took another picture here, before that same picture would be there. Now it gives you a confirmation to do a new picture, and when you take the new picture it'll be the same file name, but it would take it from the cache before, so the picture would not change. Well, I put a timestamp on it, so now it'll change. As you can see, it changed. So I fixed that, and yeah, I saw the other location in here. And I kind of fixed a little bit of this stuff because it wasn't working right. Like if you went to edit and then you went back to the new item, all the stats would be up there still from the item that you edited. So I fixed all that and everything. So we have our two items here, and we'll edit this one over here. Alright, it just goes to the form and fills in all the stuff with the information. And say we want to change this to 100 ability power, and that to 25. And yeah, we'll just save that. And we'll go to stash, and then as you can see, it's 25 strength and 100 ability power. Alright, now we'll do the delete function here. I had a little issue with it. I forgot I had switched around some code and it didn't work exactly when I clicked it the last time, but it should work this time, so we'll try to delete this here. Alright, and the item was deleted, and it should have refreshed there, but apparently it didn't want to. But if I go back and come back into here, you can see that that item is gone now, so the delete does work now. I'll have to just add in that refresh there. And then I also added a clear button, which it just wipes out everything in your stash. And I made it so that it doesn't just clear local storage, because then you'll have like a million image files in your epics folder. It actually deletes all the images also. And there's a confirmation for this also. And that one refreshes. I'll have to do the delete one to refresh. And now you have no items in here. Alright everyone, we've got iPad here. It's going to do the same basic rundown. I already got an item in there. It's actually the same item. And also I'm just going to add an item and then edit and delete. So here's the home page. We're going to go into the new one, and a bunch of randomness again. So much easier to do randomness on the iPad because you just kind of hit everywhere. Alright, take a picture of the remote, add the location. Alright, there we got all of our stuff. Actually, I think I have it on silent mode, so you didn't really hear the beep, but go to add, open the stash, And there we get our 2 items. And as you can see, the 50 helm has all 50s here, and we will edit one of those or 2 of those to say the 100 helm. We'll change the name this time, and we'll change the stam to 100. Alright, so now we have 100 helm. I don't know if you can see that, 100 stam. We'll save it. And now, as you can see, it is the 100 helm and then 100 stam. And of course, you can change the image, the location if you moved. I guess if you have a different location, and all the stats and everything you can change. And now we're going to show the delete, which I updated it from the. I did a quick little edit. This has a confirmation. And well, maybe. Okay, apparently it didn't want to work on here. Now, I tested on the other one and it worked, but it did delete it. I just have to work on my alert apparently. Apparently it doesn't want to fire, so. But yeah, this is the delete there. Deletes. And then once again the clear button up there. And it asks you if you want to clear it. And it says, okay, we cleared everything. And everything's gone. So that should be it for, well, the whole month now. And everything's working except for that one little bug with the delete. Apparently my alert does not want to come up, but I'll fix that before I upload everything. And the code's pretty clean. Some of the Java script is kind of messy. I should probably reorganize it a little bit because it jumps around here and there and everywhere, some parts of it. But I mean, everything has labels on it and comments just so you know exactly what it is. But I took all the suggestions and edited all the code to make it a little more semantic and not as bad as it was before. But I have improved a lot since week 1, because like I said, week 1 was kind of rough for me, and then week 2 everything got immensely better, and then it's just gotten better since then. So doing good, and that should be all for this month. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next class.